This is my beam. Addition and subtraction. We'll see addition now. Chhota Bheem like